All right, let's make another video. So this is a trade right here off of New Zealand dollar, United States dollar. This is a trade I took today. It was a loss, another loss, which is okay. In trading, you have your winning streaks and you have your losing streaks. But what makes a profitable trader is the last 10 trades and the next 10 trades. Just over time, just really remain, no matter what happens, remaining consistent as long as you have a clear proven strategy and you trade it, it's just remaining consistent. So let's take a look at this trade and let's figure out what happened today and why I lost. Okay, so this is a 30-minute view of the trade today from the um, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So basically, this is what I saw. I'm looking at market structure and I'm like, okay, every time price get up here, we sell up. Every time price get down here, we sell down low, right? Price hit here, boom. Price hit here, boom. Price hit here, boom. Price hit here, boom. What I did not pay attention to is how that changed here, which pretty much, price didn't go up 40, 50 pips once we actually hit here. Like if I actually open this up a bit more, when price actually had closed above here, price came here, stop, price came here, stop, price came here, stop, price came here, stop, right? However, what happened was I was influenced by this, right? So I'm looking at price and I'm like, all right, let me open it up a bit more. So I'm looking at price and I'm like, okay, look at this candle. All right, 1, 2 buckaroo, and we went, boom, we could have got some pips, right? So price started coming down. All right, price started coming down, and let me erase all this stuff. I started marking up some zones here with data to the left, right? I'm like, okay, I start dropping down. I'm looking at this free range of different time frames. I'm determining all the areas where price could stop. This area was nowhere in here that price actually stopped and reversed that, right? So why did price stop and reverse there? I simply was going to take the trade to around here because why? Let me erase this. Why was I going to do that? Is because of this data here. However, I failed to pay attention to this data here. This is the most recent data to the left. Okay. So what happened was I was influenced by here, and I'm like, okay, I'm like, price is going to go up, right? So I'm looking at all this selling, and I'm like, oh, this is opportunity. Price could go up. So what happened is, let me put my replay on, select the bar, and here. So I'm looking at this right here. I dropped to like the 1 minute just to see what's going on. The whole thing that I'm looking for on a lower time frame, if price is selling, right? We got a low, we got a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. At that point, we have the lowest low. Price comes, passes this lower high, a little bit of retest, break to the upside. We are now in an uptrend, right? So that's kind of what I was looking for, and that's what I got here. Um, so if you look, what happened? Dang it. Okay, so price actually was, this was a high, this was the lowest low. So price ended up coming back up, breaking that little testeroo, boom. So at this point, this is looking like an entry. Okay, so I wanted to be sure. Well, actually, no. I'm over here looking at this at this time. This had already happened, so that's like, okay, we already changing character, right? Right. We're breaking retest. We're starting to go up. Here's a little consolidation. We're printing candles above this consolidation. All right. We go back to the 30-minute. So I'm like, we print candles above this consolidation. We finally broke it. Candle close. Let's rock, right? Last time price looked like here, we'd over here. But again, trading is a game of probabilities. Okay, that's it. It's a game of probabilities. What I did not pay attention to is, hold on, this probability is over here, right? Boom, 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 right? So if I take this and booyah, right? Look at that beautiful data. Look at that beautiful resistance, right? I just got influenced by this one time, right? Probabilities one, two, three to the four. Snoop Doggy Dog is at your door. That's 4, 5, 6, right? And out of 6, 7, one time. I should have looked at that and been like, nah, bro. What I need to see price break, retest, then go, and then worry about maybe an opportunity up here or maybe opportunities in this free range because this is consolidation. So maybe I could have got in like right here, set my 1-to-1 somewhere like right here because I'll probably sell at consolidation and do like a retest and worry about it up here. But what I didn't do is I did not do that. I said, no, out of the last 6 times, that one time, we're going to do it. I got faith. And that is what happens when you win, 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 win in trading. So let's back out here. Let's go to the 1 hour. And I have some illustrations here. What is this illustration here? Let's look. I'll take a screenshot of my YouTube channel, right? And what I was doing, I was recording these Loom videos purely out of psychology in my trading journal. So I got a trading journal that I have. It's about 300 pages long. Even though I've been only trading for 6 months, I put in 100 hours for sure. And I got a whole bunch of patterns and stuff like that. So as you can see here, win, 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 win. All right, one loss. I wasn't. I was trying something else. Right. What happened is I got cocky. Right. Win, 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 win. Right. Got cocky. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's about 2 or 3 other wins that I didn't even post here. I was just recording these things. I had post like all these in like one day, but I was recording them in Loom. So out of like 1, 2, 3, so let's say 4 loss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loss, right? So I end up getting cocky. And that's why I lost the trade. So it's got to wait. What happens when I get cocky? I don't wait for confirmation. I don't trade off confirmation. I trade off of just just thinking what I think price is going to do. So I can't do that, and that's why I lost. I need to trade, get back to what I know. Trade markets. That's like trending. I don't know why this. I don't even know all this stuff is up here. I just get back and start trading trending markets. Right, this is what I'm gonna do. So like when price is going up, right? You got like say for example, let me give an example. You got indication, correction, continuation. Pull out my fib. Like look at this price action here. Right, price indication, correction to the 50. Boom, boom. Right. So that's what I gotta get back to, and that's why I lost.